Alright, let's go on a little walk through the Dahlia patch. This is Urchin. This whole row is Pooh. It's a nice foggy morning out today. If anyone has an ID on this, I would love your help. I'm not sure of its name. I call it Pink Sunshine, but I know that's wrong. So, if anyone has the ID on that, I would love it. Look at these Zorro. Big, beautiful blooms. Lots of them. Here we have Belle of Barmera, which is such a big, beautiful variety. This one is, I'm unsure what it is. It was gifted to me. It's called Penn's Gift. So Penn Hill, what variety is this? It's amazing. Look at the size of it. This is Sylvia. Oops. Here we got Floral. This row is Floral. Big honkers. Floral is a great producer. Really love this variety. So do the earwigs. Very, very pretty. Here we got Boom Boom. You got that boom boom pow. Just a nice, small, white variety. Just a beautiful foggy day. Here you got Crazy Love. Short bus. Here you got Crazy Love. Crazy Love's a very happy, pretty variety with nice little purple tips. And me. Here's the kitten. This one's not sure what it wants to be. Me. Me. Oh, look at the kitten. This row is not doing good. We've got Ferncliff Pearl. Just did not at all do well. And Snowho Sonia, also from Ferncliff, not doing well at all, as you can see. So I'm not crazy happy about that, but this is the way. Here we've got creme de cassis, shorter variety. It's got 2 tones. Very nice. And this is the Spartacus row. Look at the size of these ones. And look at the stem length. It's like a 2.5 foot stem. And like it's always really, really long stems. Yeah, very nice. You can see all the long stems. Here you've got Otto's Thrill. Otto's Thrill is not growing the way that I remember. So I'm not thrilled about the way it's growing, but I'm hoping I can mend it with some fertilizing. And here is the first Mackie. Look at the stem. Mackie is like my biggest dinner plate variety. It gets about 13 inches, so we'll see how it does. Here is Diva. Diva is like a purple, winey colored, kind of half ball variety. It's really tough. This is the flower stand where I sell my arrangements. And here is Dragon's Breath. Which is another 2-tone color. And that is the tour today. It is September 10th today. So everything is kind of coming into full bloom here. And the next few weeks should be the best that the patch has to deliver. We're hosting our Dahlia dinner, or our dinner in the Dahlias, in 2 nights. And the weather's looking good, so I have my work cut out for me. But yeah, thanks for coming on this tour. See you later.